let's say what I want to do is I want to create a program in such a way that the user is gonna give me dollars, and I should return what is the equivalent rupee value for it. Do you think that is possible?
Yes.
Yes. So we will say enter dollar value to convert it in rupees. So dollar value which a user is entering is of what type? Integer once again. So you can see, let us talk about the data types first. One type of data type that Java supports is primitive data type. Primitive type. Now in this primitive type there are 8 data types given: byte, short, int, long, float, double. Then I have char, and then boolean. So these are 8 data types supported by Java, 8 primitive types supported by Java. So this byte, short, int, long, why I have written into 4 categories is because this byte, short, int, long are all pure
Numbers.
integer values. Fine, pure numbers, no decimal. These are decimal values. Char means single character. Single character, and that single character can be numbers or special symbols or
Alphabet.
an alphabet. Anything, but only one should be there. Like A is fine, 1 is fine, and let's say hash is also fine, but only one. But only one. I cannot write hash 1. How many characters are this?
2.
2 characters. So a character can store only 1 character, not more than 1. So ignore these things that happens, typos, ignore the typos. Boolean can either store true or false. Okay. These are the data types. What type of data they store? Okay. When I'm taking a dollar, so do you think the dollars can be $1.5, $1.6, or just $1, $2, $3, $4? How it will be?
1, 2, 3, 4 like that, sir.
Okay, let's take $1, 2, 3, $4. So if we want pure integer, no problem. We can take integer. And the rupee value that we are returning should again be pure integer or decimal?
It can be decimal, sir.
Decimal.
Can be decimal. Okay. So how many values we are reading from the user?
Only one value, so that is
Only
dollar
one.
value.
So in the previous case, we were reading 2. Here we are reading only 1. So let us just take int dollar, only one value we are reading. Fine. So that is next int. Next one is we are not going to print that. What we should print? Print the rupee value. So what we will do, int rupees is equal to. How do we calculate rupees from dollar?
Multiplication.
Multiply with what? The rate, right? What's the current rate for a dollar?
76.98.
76. Okay, 76 into, you say dollar. 76 into dollar. So what will happen is, if user gives $1, it will be 1 into 76. That will be rupee value, right? So here you can print rupees. So save it and run it once again. Very good. It says enter the dollar value to convert it in rupees. I will test with $1. $1 is how much? 76 rupees. Nice. Let us test more. Let's say how much is $5? $5 is how many rupees?
280.
380 rupees. Fine. So I don't want just 380. I want it to be added like this, 380 RS. Now that will look more prettier. Append, this plus is used for appending, plus is used for, which means concatenation as well as for addition. Now you give $5, what does it show? 380
80 rupees.
RS. RS is added to it, right?
Sir.
That this plus here is not adding two things. It is not addition. This plus is now used for what?
Space.
Concatenation.
To concatenate.
Concatenate.
We are combining 380 with RS, right?
Yeah.
Two things
Yes,
we are
sir.
combining. So this is concatenation. So plus can act as a concatenation operator or can act as a arithmetic operator, which is for addition. Plus can be used for concatenation or addition,
Arithmetic.
which is arithmetic operation.
Okay, sir.